Hey YouTube, just want to show you this platform hand truck that I bought from Harbor Freight. It's by Hallmaster. It's small, lightweight, and sturdy, very strong, easy to set up. And this is the specs right here. The capacity is 330 pounds. I read the reviews. The reviews all checked out good. I bought the smaller one. This is the 19 inches by 29 inches. This one, they had a bigger one, but I just need something smaller to carry a couple of boxes. And it's easy to assemble. Has a non-skid rubberized deck, and has the rubber bumper to protect the wall, so you don't, when you hit the wall or anything, has the rubber. Has the quick release handle that folds down flat to the surface here, and it has the rugged steel construction with a powder coat finish, so it won't get rusted and all that. And it has 4 non-marring casters on it. As you can see, it's very lightweight. You can lift it up with one hand. These are the caster here. These two here, they turn, and these two are straight. And you can put them however you want them. I put the turning ones in the rear and the straight ones in the front. You can put these turning ones in the front. And it's easy to assemble. The wheels don't come assembled. You just take these small screws out, put them in, screw them down tight, and that's it. This is it right here, and this is the quick release bar. This, you press down on it like this with your foot, press it down all the way down, then you push like that, and you store it away in your van somewhere in your garage. Very lightweight. To open it, you just pull it up. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hey YouTube, just want to show you this platform hand truck that I bought from Harbor Freight. It's by Hallmaster. It's small, lightweight, and sturdy, very strong.